everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxyluxe unboxing for the month of June. I've been gone for about a month, mainly because I've been busy with work and life, so that's the only reason I have, but I am back with more videos to film for you guys, and today's video we're going to kick it off with the Boxyluxe unboxing. I have tried on everything except for the cleanser that's in this box because it's hard to demo a cleanser on camera when you could possibly get water everywhere, so I decided to avoid that. But yeah, if you guys don't know what Boxyluxe is, it's a quarterly box that you have when you sign up with Boxycharm. You have to be signed up with Boxycharm to get it monthly, and then you have to upgrade to this. You can't just get this, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure. But it is $50 quarterly if you do have Boxycharm and you get it monthly and you can upgrade. So a lot of people think you get your Boxycharm and this. No, if you upgrade you just get this, and then the other months you get the regular box up until the actual season. So if you get what I mean. But honestly, my skin is looking so nice. I never thought I would say that, but after trying everything on, I think it looks so pretty. So without further ado, I'm going to explain every product that we got in this month's Boxyluxe, and also I demoed it for you guys and I already filmed it all. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, it is hot in LA. It is about 100 degrees out. I have the AC on. Well, my mom does. But this is definitely a perfect video to film today because it is the summer box basically. So this month's theme is a getaway. This is what it looks like, and in the back you get all of the products and prices, which when I looked at the prices for some of these I was kind of shocked, especially with one product, but I'll get into that. So I'm basically gonna go in order of what I tried on first. So let's get into it. The first thing I tried out was the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. This is a night serum, or you can use it as just a moisturizer if you want. When I did try this on, it wasn't very hydrating or moisturizing. It kind of just dried down and it kind of maybe seeped into the skin, which I kind of do appreciate. So I'm gonna have to use it more often, maybe just by itself at nighttime and then wake up in the morning and see what it looks like. But this stuff actually smells really good, and when I tried it on, I basically used it as my moisturizer for today, and then I put on a primer, which I will also explain. But this is what the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow looks like. And this stuff retails for $58, I believe. Yes, $58, which is more than the box. $8 more than the box because it's $50 quarterly and you get this $58 product, which you can get at Sephora, I believe. I think I saw it on their website. Next product, what did I use next? Oh, I used the hairdryer next. When I found out we were getting a hairdryer in this month's Boxyluxe, I almost peed myself because I do need a new hairdryer, and the fact that it is travel friendly is great. It is by PYT. It comes in this cute luxurious bag, and you open it, and I don't know if there's different colors. Thought I saw a blue one, but I'm not sure, but I did get a baby pink one. This is what it looks like. Look at how cute it is. Y'all. It's so tiny and it's so light. When I was actually blow drying my hair, my arm wasn't hurting me for once in my life. And it didn't really take long for me to blow dry my hair, considering I do have thin hair and my hair does dry pretty fast, but I appreciate this guy so much. And it also comes with this thing, which I do not know how to use. I think you just have to, I don't know. Somebody please explain. I might have to look it up, but I don't know exactly what it does. I think it just gives you more volume, but I'm not sure. Anyways, this guy retails for $85, and this is the one that I'm shocked about. Yeah, $85. Mini Turbo on the go dryer. This is perfect for traveling. even though if you're staying in a hotel or something, you probably already have a blow dryer, which 99% of the time those blow dryers do suck. Just saying. So this is perfect for on the go, and I'm probably going to keep it in this bag and just put it under my cabinet in my bathroom, just so I have it. And for it blow drying, it had some intense blow drying, so that was pretty cool. I'm impressed. Alright, I'm gonna get this guy out of the way since I didn't use him. This is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotonic Cleanser. This is what it looks like. I love Dr. Brandt as a brand in general, so I really appreciated getting this product. So I have so many cleansers already, so I'm just probably gonna wait to use this later on. I don't know when I'll use it. Maybe I'll test it out someday and leave it down in the description or comments of how I liked it. But that guy retails for, let me see, $35. So far we're way over the pricing of the box itself. Okay, what did I use next? I used the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This did give quite volume to my hair. My hair does feel a little bit thicker, and the smell smells amazing. Like when I use this, I didn't want to stop because it smelled so good, but I knew I had to, otherwise my hair would probably freak out because it is so thin. It can only take so much. So when I use this, it gave a lot of volume and I appreciate it. So I'm really excited to use this on the daily. But that guy retails for $29. Okay, next I use the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. So this says no problem, meaning it basically vanishes your vanishes your pores a little bit. I didn't notice any pores of mine really fading or like filling in like my actual other primer does by them. So, but this is definitely more of a hydrating one than their other primer. I actually like this one more for hydrating because my skin gets a little bit more drying, except for my chin area and my like nose area. That's where I get the oiliest, but if I want to feel hydrated, this primer is perfect. This guy retails for $23, which is more expensive than their other one because you can get the other one I think for like $14 to $16 on Amazon. Next, I think I used, I want to make sure I get everything because I'm like hiding stuff. Okay, I think I used this guy next. This was the, no, just kidding. I use the Tarte Pro Glow 3 palette. This is the cheek palette that I got. I know there was 3 options, I think. And this is what the palette looks like. I used it and it looks so pretty. I love the highlight and the bronzer that I use as a contour kind of. And the blushes are pretty too. This is what they look like. I like that I get all 3 of them. You even get a shimmer bronzer in here. Perfect for summertime. But that Tarte palette retails for $45. At the end of this, I'll obviously put how much this whole box retailed for. Then I used the Trustique mascara and eyelash curler. I was having a bit of trouble with the eyelash curler, mainly because it wasn't curling my lashes. I don't know if I'm using it right, but basically you flip this down to curl and it wasn't really doing much unless I have to hold it there longer, which I actually like my other eyelash curler, like a regular one, a lot better. But the mascara wasn't bad. Like, it's still kind of like, I love the more natural eyelash mascara look, personally, so I like the mascara itself. What is my hair doing? But yeah, I really like this mascara. This guy retails for $25. Okay, we got 2 more things? I think so. Alright, then we have the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. I have the shade Peach Tea. This guy smells so good, and look at how pretty the gloss is. I love this stuff. It smells like a gloss I already have, but I like how it gives like a slight pink color to your lips, and it's not too pink because I don't like pink in general like on my lips, so I appreciated that. It's a good gloss. It's a good gloss. But that guy retails for $17. Okay, and lastly we have the Skin & Co. Roma Aqua Illuminate Viso Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. This guy smelled so good and it felt so refreshing on the skin. It's a radiant dew mist, so I love that and I cannot wait to use it more. I was really happy that I got this instead of, I don't know whatever else it was, but I was praying that I would get this and I'm glad I did. Well, yeah, I think that is it. If I'm missing something, obviously I'll throw in the demo and probably pop up something, but I'm pretty sure I got everything. Literally, this box for this month is perfect. I think I loved every single thing. I can't think of something that I don't like. Yeah, this month was absolutely amazing. I have nothing bad to say about this box. Let me know if you guys got this box and what your favorite item is down in the comments. I'd really like to know. And if you got something different, let me know what you got too. I don't really know what the other variations were. I wasn't really paying attention this month, even though I did watch the Boxycharm video, but that was a while ago. But yeah, that completes this entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will put the pricing right somewhere over here for you guys. Yeah. I'm in a good mood. Anyways, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will probably see you guys tomorrow because I'm filming another video after this. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!